Hi there, so if you're a valeter or a detailer, you may have heard of these. I've seen others use them online. They are very, very air hungry. The optimized pressure that it works at really well is so high. I made the mistake of getting a 25 litre compressor, and it doesn't work for very long on that at all, and you have to wait for the compressor to build up. I mean, it's just not workable on a 25 litre compressor. If you haven't heard of these, excuse me, they're very good. They create like a vortex, and you can put in this one anyway, it's a classic one, you can put fluid in there, and it's very good for when you're working on really dirty vehicles. So my opinion, in all honesty, I think even on a 50 litre compressor, I think you'd still struggle to use it. It would, you know, because it works at quite a high pressure. So I think somewhere between, if you are thinking about getting one, I think somewhere between a 75 litre and 100 litre tank on a compressor, which should give you quite a lot of working time, because otherwise, you know, I think with a 25 litre or even a 50 litre compressor, you're going to be probably spending more time waiting for the compressor to build up than actually using this itself. So there you go. But if you can get it right, I must admit, even when I do use it, which isn't for very long, it does work really well. But you just can't really, you know, if you turn the pressure down, it just doesn't work as efficiently, and it's just, you know, it's not sort of fit for purpose. If you have the pressure right down, you know, it needs to be working quite high to do its stuff as recommended in the instructions. I can't think exactly what the pressure is. I know it's quite high though. I don't know if it's on here or not, but I could be wrong. I think it's probably 7.1 or 6.9 or something like that working pressure, consistent. And obviously with a 25 litre compressor, it's only doing that for a few seconds, would you believe, and then it you know, it works, it's optimized pressure for a little while, a few seconds, and then it just starts dropping because the compressor kicks in. So yeah, so if you do get one, maybe look at get a 75 litre compressor. Maybe obviously if you've used yours, if you've got one and you're using it on say a 50 litre compressor, maybe leave a comment, let others know. But I suppose a lot of people would probably say that really they need maybe a 75 litre compressor. So there we go. Just thought I'd give you people that haven't got one, that are thinking about getting one, a little bit of a heads up, baby. As I say, if you can get the right air pressure, it's an absolute brilliant tool for cleaning or detailing vehicles, valeting details, valeting vehicles. Get it right in a moment, won't I? There we go. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Take it easy. Have a good one. Yes, it's raining. No work for me today. Boo hoo. Perhaps I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.